Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Honda Goldwing with 46,820 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips and seats, and electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, passenger armrests, a luggage rack, grips, a handlebar accessory mount, mirror trim, Torpack speaker trim, front fairing trim, fuel tank trim, and custom paint. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 116 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel tank, the Goldwing has a 190 to 240-mile range. It has a 29.1-inch seat height, and in stock form, a 905-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and both rear tires are at 9/30 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the right fender. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.